Do you want to get access to a step-by-step system to design vector illustrations? I'm very happy to tell you that in this masterclass we'll go from learning how to use Illustrator to creating 3 different projects that you can use to build up your own portfolio. When developing this, I packed it with exercises and worksheets that you can use to actually be more confident when designing vector illustrations. Now let's take a look at what you can expect to see once you unlock access to the masterclass. First off, the curriculum is broken into 7 days to make it as easy as possible for you to actually get to the end. The first few days are just to get you more familiar with the tools, and then we can jump into 3 different projects. The first project is to get more familiar with the pen tool, and we're going to design a few faces for our characters. Then we'll do a full project where you actually take those learnings and you start developing your characters from scratch and put them into different poses. These techniques are actually amazing if you want to animate your characters in the future as well. And then in the last one, we'll design a set of illustrations following the same design style, and you learn how to create a consistent look in your illustrations. As a bonus chapter at the end, after interviewing hundreds of designers, I saw them making the same mistakes over and over again in interviews, so I wanted to share with you a few tips and tricks that will make you stand out, along with worksheets and free resume templates that you can use to land your next design job. I've created this course for people who don't have a lot of time, so I made these videos short and efficient in order to get you more comfortable with designing illustrations as soon as possible. So if you want an illustration masterclass that can help you build your own design characters in Adobe Illustrator and open yourself to opportunities to land your next design job, this masterclass is for you.